Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into a fascinating development in the world of artificial intelligence. South Korea is making waves by teaming up with NVIDIA to significantly boost its AI infrastructure, setting the stage for a new industrial revolution. South Korea, already a leader in technology and manufacturing, is now poised to become a central player in the AI-driven future. The collaboration with NVIDIA involves deploying hundreds of thousands of GPUs in sovereign clouds and AI factories. This massive infrastructure upgrade is set to benefit sectors like automotive manufacturing and telecommunications, underscoring AI's growing importance akin to power grids and broadband networks. Jensen Huang, CEO of NVIDIA, highlights South Korea's potential to export AI as a new form of global influence. This new era draws inspiration from South Korea's historical prowess in physical manufacturing, where it has long been a pioneer with products like ships, cars, and semiconductors. In a bold move, the South Korean government plans to roll out up to 50,000 new NVIDIA GPUs to bolster AI programs across corporate and research sectors. The initial phase includes adding 13,000 GPUs through service providers like Naver Cloud, NHN Cloud, and Kakao. Moreover, efforts are underway to establish a national AI computing center. This facility will enable startups, researchers, and various entities to harness sovereign infrastructure for training models and developing innovative applications. Major South Korean companies are investing heavily in advanced AI infrastructure to support digital production, network operations, and manufacturing tools. NVIDIA and Samsung are planning a new AI factory that will integrate chip manufacturing with accelerated computing. This factory will utilize over 50,000 NVIDIA GPUs to enhance data-driven production methods, including predictive maintenance and process optimization. The SK Group is also in the game, building an AI factory expected to be completed by late 2027. This facility will serve SK's subsidiaries and external clients by offering GPU as a service, aligning with South Korea's strategy for sovereign AI. Additionally, SK Telecom intends to develop an industrial AI cloud using NVIDIA RTX Pro 6000 GPUs. This cloud will support semiconductor manufacturing, digital twins, and internal AI agents. These collaborative efforts mark a significant leap forward in South Korea's AI infrastructure. By focusing on sovereign clouds and AI factories, South Korea is paving the way for transformative advancements in multiple sectors from manufacturing to telecommunications. This partnership with NVIDIA reflects South Korea's ambitious vision to be a beacon of technological innovation in the digital age. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the future of AI, be sure to subscribe for more exciting science insights.